Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are very much welcome, and if you're an OG, thank you for tuning in. So we're making a high puff, a sleek high puff. It is a protective style and it is my go-to hairstyle. If you know me in person, you most definitely have seen me in this hairstyle more than 2 times, more than once. Okay, so I'm using Eco Styling Gel, and I parted my hair in the center and applied a little bit of gel there, and then I'm applying some more gel on the hair out. Man, it is an intense arm workout, so if you want toned arms, get serious with your hair game. That is all I'm going to tell you. Now, your puff is going to be as big as you want it, and this depends on how you adjust your shoelace on your head. So you keep going till you get to the size of the puff you want, and then you stop. If you want a smaller puff, you would have to tighten the shoelace around your hair. This is how high I want my puff to go. If I wanted it to be fuller, I wouldn't get this high. So this is how high I want it, and I'm going to stop there and just tuck the shoelace under each other. Yes. After getting my hair in a puff, I brushed it down, and then I went in with a thin layer of Eco Styling Gel, and I am smoothing it out with my fingers. Then I'm going to brush my hair again, and we are ready to apply Eco Hair Wax. We are ready to apply Eco Hair Wax. This is what is going to lay my hair down. I swear by this product. It will lay my hair down. It will get the job done. It will give me that sleek look that I want. So I'm laying my edges and I'm taking everything back. I'm not bringing out any baby hair. I just want something clean, something just so clean and sleek. Exactly. So I'm taking everything back. I'm smoothing it out with a brush, with my toothbrush, and then I'm going to brush it all down again. So I'm back, got some makeup done, wear my loop earrings. So let's do the big review. This is a very quick and easy hairstyle. It is a protective style that can be worn to work, it can be worn to a date, it can be worn to corporate event, to hang out with your family and friends. It's very easy, under 5 minutes, and you're done and you're out of the door. Would you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comments. At this point, I was just feeling myself. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.